Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this ScreenPal guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix ScreenPal export errors. Whether your video fails to export, gets stuck during processing, shows an export failed message, crashes during rendering, or produces a corrupted output file, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the issue. So let's get started. First, save your project before attempting any troubleshooting. This ensures you don't lose any edits if the export process fails or the application closes unexpectedly. Next, restart ScreenPal and try exporting the project again. Temporary software glitches can sometimes interfere with video rendering and may be resolved with a simple restart. One of the most common causes of export problems is insufficient storage space. Check your computer's available disk space and make sure there is enough room for the exported video file and temporary rendering files. If you're exporting a large project, try reducing the export resolution or quality settings temporarily. Lower settings can reduce system load and help determine whether performance limitations are causing the problem. You should also review your project's media files. Missing, corrupted, or unsupported audio and video files can sometimes prevent successful exports, and that's how to fix ScreenPal export errors. By checking storage space, updating software, reviewing project files, and optimizing export settings, you can resolve most export-related problems and successfully create your final video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.